Make your website an app, webtoapp.design. Create app design your app for free in 5 minutes. If you've ever needed to remove your app from the App Store or Google Play Store, you know the setting can be a bit hidden. Whether you're retiring an outdated app, focusing on a new project, or addressing unforeseen issues, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's take a look. Why remove your app? Before we get into the how, let's quickly cover the why. You might want to remove your app for several reasons. Outdated app. Your app is no longer relevant or supported. Rebranding. You're planning to launch a new version with significant changes. In most of these cases, we'd recommend updating your existing app, though. Updating the app makes sure users of the existing app automatically get the new one, and you save time because updating an app is quicker than publishing a new one. Compliance issues. Your app no longer meets store guidelines or legal requirements. Performance problems. Major bugs or issues that need to be resolved before making the app accessible to new users again. The good thing is that removing your app from the app stores doesn't need to be permanent. Maybe you just need to address a couple of issues before you make your app available again. In that case, you'll be able to make your app public again using basically the same process as outlined below later on without having to go through the entire initial app publishing process again. Removing an app from the Apple App Store. Open App Store, connect and select your app. Click Pricing and Availability at the bottom of the side menu. Click Manage under App Availability. Click Manage Availability. Click None at the top right of the dialog. Click Next, and then Confirm at the bottom right of the dialog. Your app will be removed from the App Store, though it can take up to 24 hours for changes to take effect. Removing an app from Google Play Store. In the Google Play console, go to the Advanced Settings under Setup in the side menu of your app. Select Unpublished under App Availability. Click Unpublish at the bottom right and confirm it. After removal, what happens next? Once you've removed your app from the App Store or Google Play Store, it will no longer be available for new downloads. However, users who have already downloaded your app will still have it on their devices and can continue to open it. Apps created with webtoapp.design that no longer have an active subscription will show a message saying that the app has been temporarily disabled. I'd recommend that you communicate with your users and inform them at least a few months in advance before removing and disabling your app. That way they have enough time to look for alternatives and adjust their workflows. Create an app from your website, webtoapp.design. Create app design, your app for free in 5 minutes.